So after last week, Amanda let me know, and I've been checking every single day, and Amanda let me know that Ulta finally released the new stuff. Ulta doesn't always release all the new stuff. And you know, the Walmart website's ridiculous. You can't find everything there. So I placed an order. But I have to say, I do not like, I've never known Ulta to put stuff in bags. They always put it in boxes. So I don't like that I have glass in here and they put it in this bag. And they pretty much just stuffed the bag and sent it like that. I really don't like that. But so far, this is what they have. When Wet n Wild finally makes their release, maybe there'll be more stuff. But basically, I showed you the face powders. And I did, basically, it was light, medium, deep, medium tan, and then tan deep or something. So I did get the right color for me. But anyway, this is a boosting brow and lash serum, and when I got that huge, he said it wasn't an infection, but it was a clogged duct in my eye. I was losing a lot of lashes, so I got that. And I'm just picking out of the bag. I just opened it in front of you. And then they have 5 new colors, and I wasn't sure what color this was, and it's not really a color I would use, but it's called Call Me the Boss. It's like an orangey color. I wouldn't have gotten this normally, but you know how it is when you're ordering stuff from online. You can't really tell that well. Let's see what I'm just sticking in my hand and grabbing stuff out. Their new Hourglass Face facial sponge, purple. So I got that. All right. Oh yeah, now one of the things that Amanda told me, and I already know that Ulta doesn't always carry everything, so they got some regular line stuff that's been available for a while that they just didn't carry. So it'll say new. But the only new brush I see is this Wet n Wild, a duo brush. It's a lash and brow brush. So one side has that angled brow, and then, you know, the usual. But it's saying you could use it for your lashes too, if I'm not mistaken. Brow and liner. Yeah, I like these really hard ones are good for gel liners, or if you want to use a powder. They have more lip balms. I got the pinky one lip balm. I go through lip balm like crazy. This is the only pink one they had of the, I knew for sure this one was pink, but the other one kind of looked like a neutrally pink, and it's not, it's orange. It's a frosty orange. But yeah, I can't really see the names because I don't have my glasses, but yeah, that's the only pink one, and it's a frosty. It's got like some glitter in there. Yeah, for some reason, I don't know why this looked like a neutrally pink, but it's a warm tone. All right, let's see what else. Okay, so this, they had coconut, and I think, I don't know, this is strawberry, and then this is coconut. So this is the glass products, and honestly, I just feel like that's not the way to go, even if it is a bubble envelope. So this one is a vitamin facial spray. And I mean, I think you could use facial sprays. You could use it before and after your makeup. Somebody asked me someone, and yeah, it has shimmer. You just have to shake it really well, because after what happened to me with that little twin stars. Pineapple pre-serum, you know, the primer serum. And I normally don't like the smell of lavender, but this one's a lavender. It's just purple, so it gets to me. It's the lavender primer serum, and it's got like other stuff in it. And this is Fight Dirty. This is a facial spray as well, but it sounds to me like it's more of a, if it's saying Fight Dirty, it might be a tone detox setting spray. Setting means to set your makeup. But again, I would use this before and after. Anyway, so This is the new Wet n Wild stuff that I got. They had other stuff too. I saw at Walmart. I saw a pair of pink tweezers, which I don't think they're selling or have advertised yet. They had, I think, one or two more lip balms. They had about 5 new colors of lip glosses in the new packaging. This is weird, right? I guess it's so they can hang it with the white instead of the black for their glosses. Yeah, the facial sponge. So it's not really like new eyeshadows. I could have sworn that I was looking in Germany when I was looking up the new stuff, and in Germany it looked like they had 2 or 3 different colored 5 pans, and actually you could buy from this woman was advertising to buy from her store. In the picture it looked like different colors, but when I tried to order it was just of the regular colors. So I don't really know what's going on with that. So I thought maybe we were getting new colors for the 5 pans, and we still might. I don't know, because again, Ulta doesn't always sell everything. But right now at Ulta you can get the new stuff, at least online that I know of. Again, somebody said they saw it at her Walgreens. I haven't had a chance to go to Walgreens. Like I said, ever since I got that COVID in September, my arthritis just got worse, and it's something that really, really hasn't fully recovered. So I'm just in a lot of pain in my inner hips. It's just so painful, just getting in and out of the car, going up and down the stairs, doing a lot of walking. And like yesterday, I had to take my daughter to the clinic, and I had to do a lot of walking to get from one side of the clinic to the other. And I was in so much pain that I was not going to go in and out to the Walgreens. So I haven't checked there yet, but I checked online and I didn't see anything at the Walgreens.com. So anyway, that's the new stuff. I haven't had a chance to do swatches of the Physicians Formula. It looks like that's their big thing this year, to do new stuff, is with the Physicians Formula for Mark Wynn. Although they did again teased us with their lip smacker, which is under Mark Wynn's. It's gonna have Hello Kitty lip balms, and you know, they teased us with this, and they still haven't announced it yet on Instagram or anything. So I didn't have a chance to do swatches of anything because I've had appointment after appointment, and my arthritis has been hurting so bad in my inner hips that I just haven't. I've just been one appointment after another, and just haven't had a chance. But next week I don't have any appointments, thank God, so I'll have more time to do that. So yeah, so this is everything, and I will see you next week with, I think I want to do the blue. It's so pretty, and it comes with its own glitter color. So that's what I think I'm going to do for next week with one of the other Hocus Pocus palettes. So anyway, okay. See you guys next week. Take care. Love you. Mwah. Bye.